Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick inform video. Wow, do I have a really nice video for you guys today. It's pretty good deal. Probably one of the better deals that Boost Mobile has had. Well, next to the iPhones and stuff. But I mean, Android wise and all that stuff, guys, you're going to like it. I know the title always spoils some of it. But hey, you guys are here for the details and what are the requirements and all that cool stuff. So as you can hear, guys, buy a J7 Refine, get a J7 Refine free. So how that works is basically you can get two Galaxy J7 Refines for free. So the phone right now at boostmobile.com retails for about $230. Yeah, you can find it sometimes for $200, maybe $150 with the sale. But guys, $230 for that phone. I have a review and unboxing. You can check that out in the description below if you want to check out if it's worth the phone, buy or not. But guys, the phone is amazing with 32 gigs of internal storage. Yeah, it only had 2 gigs of RAM, but guys, it doesn't lag up as bad as the Stylo 4 does. Honestly, it feels pretty solid phone. The camera on it is crazy. It's bananas on that thing. 13 megapixels in the front and 13 megapixels in the back. So 13 back and front. It's pretty cool. It does have the whole, portrait mode, so blurs out the background. And I thought honestly it did a pretty good job, guys. So let's go into the details. Let me get my handy dandy cheat sheet right here, and let's get to the requirements and all that. So it says, buy one, get one. So BOGO sale. They have a BOGO sale. I know they do this with the iPhones, but not everybody likes iPhones. And, some people like Androids like I do. So let's get into it. So it says, buy a Galaxy J7 Refine, get one for free. So if I'm looking down, it's just because I'm looking at my phone, guys. So it says, buy price. So new activation of the phone, you can get it on discount. So like I said, $230 at boostmobile.com. If you go to a store, you can get it for $180. And then eligible port in is free. So if you just come in with a new number, you just want a new number, you can get it for $180. If you're porting in from different carrier, i.e. Metro, PCS, T-Mobile, Cricket, anybody that doesn't have to relate to Sprint or is connected, anything like that, you can port your number in. So your line does have to be active. Sorry about that. Now it says get one price. New or eligible port in activation is free. So the second line doesn't even have to be a port in. So the first line, it can be a new line, just a new number, you get it for $180, or you can port in your number, you can get it free. The second line, if you just add another phone to your plan, the J7 Refine, of course, you can get it for free. Doesn't have to be a port in. Most of the times, both of them have to be a port in for it to be free. But no, guys, this is pretty cool. You can just, let's say you're porting in from Metro, you want to bring over your son or somebody or your mom. She doesn't have any carrier. Her minutes run out, whatever. She wants a new number, she can get the J7 Refine for free with a new number, or she can port in her number, whichever. She can still get it for free. That's pretty cool of Boost Mobile and not making you port both numbers in to be free. The plans you do have to sign up for, it has to be the 50 unlimited plan, 60 unlimited plan, or the 80 unlimited plan. Or the 50 unlimited gigs, the 60 unlimited plus, or the 80 unlimited ultimate unlimited. Sounds like a Frieza form or something, or a cell form. The family plans is 3 for $78, or 3 for $100, 4 for $100, or 4 for $120. This promotion started a couple days ago. It started on August 30th, 2018. So it just started. Will end October 1st, guys. Wow, so whole month this promotion will be going on. And like I said, the phone in question is the Samsung Galaxy J7 Refine. Honestly, in my opinion, is this a go? It's definitely a go. It's a really nice phone, guys. You will like it. Big battery. Overall, I think I gave it pretty good ratings on my phone review of it. So it's pretty good promotion. I'm happy for it. Usually iPhones, they're doing the iPhone SE or the iPhone 6. For this promotion, the BOGO this time is the J7 Refine. At least they're not giving you a crappy phone. It's actually a pretty good phone. So let me know in the comments below what you think, guys. Is this worth it? Please comment, rate, subscribe. You can support the channel via my PayPal in the description below, or you can check out netbuddy.co. They do offer true unlimited AT&T Hotspot for only $60 a month. But if you use my link and promo code Sanchez45973 at checkout, you can save $10. It's an affiliate link, so I do get a little bit of change if you do decide to purchase it. Everything in the description below. Thank you.